Good morning, I am Shamariona HFCA, class of 2026, and I am standing across the street from our new building. Let's come inside to see what it looks like. My first reaction to the gym is it's amazing in here, it's very big. I am now on the second floor, and right over here behind me is where I can look down and see the main entrance. Right now they are installing the heating ducts, and they are almost as tall as me. I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4 classrooms just in this big hallway. I am very excited to see how the progress has came, and I'm even more excited to be here next year. This is Shamariona. See you guys next week.